I got it in there finally with bending it, and great. Oh. So, if you're new from my previous videos, I was talking about this. We are now making the STI the loudest STI that it can possibly be. Alright guys, anyways, what's going on? I am back finally. It's been about 2 months. Dude, work's been killing me. I got so much to catch up on. I got so many videos to make for y'all. There's so much that like has went down. I bought something new. I'll refer back to my video later, but alright guys. Anyways, let's actually just get right into this video. Today we are installing the NVIDIA Catless downpipe. It's the divorce one with an extra bung for an AFR gauge if I ever need one. So I figured I'd just throw it out there. There are differences. There's all sorts of like little things, but yeah, it's Catless. That's all we need to know because I want to make this thing as loud as it can be, and it's going to be the loudest STI around here. Other than my buddy, which we'll get to that too later. But yeah, let's hop right in this video. Let's tear this thing open. I'm kind of terrified to tear in my car like this. I know I gotta like take off the intercooler, and that's gonna be pretty fun. So hopefully it's not. I'm kind of scared, but let's tear this thing open and then let's get into the install, which I'm sure you all want to see. I'm probably gonna be spending about 5 hours on this damn thing. And also we have other mods too, but that's not for this video. This is just for this. We are getting a startup today. Maybe a cold start for tomorrow. I'll probably just wait. But yeah, I just want to throw out there what we're gonna be doing. So let's tear into it. Look at this thing, boys! Whoa, look. Dude, I'm ready just for like the most sick sounds and possibly flames. I don't know. Maybe. Let's just say I got something in store. I don't know. But yeah, guys, this is the like I said, the bell mouth divorce downpipe. It's a 3-inch all the way back. So now I'm gonna be running on the STI 3-inch all the way back to the exhaust. Before I think it's a 2.5 or a 2 on the downpipe right now. But so this is definitely a big upgrade. So and like I was talking about, here's the original bung that the O2 sensor goes into, and this is the top one, which I can always use for another one. But we're just gonna keep that on there for now, just because I don't want to mess with that. But dude, look at this thing. You know, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, honestly. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy, but this is sick. This thing's awesome. It's gonna be an interesting one, so y'all gonna be along for the ride of learning. And of course, stay tuned for the cold start, because oh my god, dude. We are starting it. I'm not driving it, so don't worry, don't flip out and be like, you're gonna blow it up. Yeah, probably. It'll probably blow up eventually, I don't know. But we will start this car, and we'll probably move it outside or something. But I just want to hear it. With that Tome and the... Alright guys, let's start. Let's start in this video. I don't know what that thing is. Alright guys, so first off, I'm going to give you a before, and this is just with the Tome exhaust, the single exit, with the stock downpipe. Alright, so like I said, no more talking. We're gonna pop the hood really quick. That freaking Saharan sandstorm came through. I literally cleaned my car off yesterday for a car show. What the? It's already dirty again. It's literally, for a day I left it outside because I wanted to leave it out for this. What the heck? What is this? What is this? Okay. I don't know. This thing sucks, so I don't know. Leave a comment below if your car got musty as dog crap because of the Arabian whatever freaking cotton ball sandstorm. I don't know. Okay. Oh boy. The moment oh my gosh, what the heck? Girl, you leaky. You leaky, girl. You leaky. So in order to get to the downpipe, we have to take off this big ass intercooler. So we're gonna loosen that, loosen the blow-up valve, and underneath here, I think is it that one? We have to loosen it off so we can wiggle off the intercooler. And I think, oh, and also the two mounting bolts on the side, which should let this freely come out so we can get to the heat shield and then get to the bolts to the actual downpipe. So, and you know what I just realized? Maybe I should put blocks under my car so I can lift it up after. It's probably a smart idea. So, I said, just sit back, relax, watch me tear apart this car and hope for the best. Wish me luck. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and bolt the blow-off valve. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep this a note. Make sure you always have plastic bags or something around to put your bolts in. But in time being, I'm gonna use this little plastic thing right here just so I can put some of the bolts in there so I don't lose them. And I'm just gonna put them in markable, like marked places so I kind of remember where they're at. I don't have any paper, I don't have any like little baggies right now, and I don't want to go get any, so. I'll tell y'all, you can never have enough extensions, I promise, so you can get the stuff. Even though this isn't that far down, you will need extensions. I'm sure I'm going to need to go buy some, possibly. Alright, it is. So now, what I was talking about, down here, there's another clamp way back in there. I don't think I can get to it though. So we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew this one and slide out that whole inlet pipe to the cold side of the turbo. I think that's what it is. Don't flame me if I'm wrong, but we're gonna go ahead and unscrew that one and we should be able to slide this right out, hopefully. All right, I think I'm gonna just use some manpower here. Oh, we got it, baby. We got it, guys. Okay, so how am I gonna wiggle this out from here? I don't know. Oh, we got it. Oh my God, is that blow by? Guys, there's freaking. Comment down below if this is good. I don't know if that is. I have no idea if that's good, and I'm pretty sure, like, what else would go through there? That's blow by. Oh my God, girl, shorty. Don't know where I'm gonna put this. So now we gotta get off this heat shield. I have no idea how to do this. I think that's just a bracket. Oh my God, that's hot. I forgot it's a little warm. Okay, I feel one bolt back here. Is there only one bolt? Is that even a... Okay, so maybe that's the only one I have to do. And maybe the heat shield will just magically come off, and I have a feeling that's what it is because there's no other bolt. So we're gonna go ahead and take off that bolt and go ahead and take off the heat shield. Oh my finger! All right, hopefully y'all can see me well, but I just got back from lunch and I didn't address this, but I went ahead and sprayed a PB blaster on all of these bolts, all 5 on the downpipe, because guys, I will tell you what, that would not budge. I took a torque wrench with the 14 on there and it wouldn't move at all. So you know what? Now after the PB's been done, we're gonna go ahead and give it another shot. Is this the 14? Yeah. Oh, let's see. Come on. Oh, we got it. I felt it. I felt it crack. I felt it crack.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna take off camera on this one. I'm done with showing that. I showed you all 4. Good luck trying to get that one off. I'm gonna get it off so we can get this damn downpipe off. I just want to get it off and get the new one on. Gosh, I'm just ready to hear it, dude. That's it. I just want to hear it. Alright guys, well, I'll be with you in just a second. I promise you need this. I probably look so crazy right now. It probably looks like garbage. I'm sweaty. But I promise, get this. You'll get that last bolt out. And you can do them all from the top. Because I did them all from the top. That's crazy. Okay, so let's screw this one finally. We'll finally come out with all these tools. Maybe. Oh, hell. There it goes. Oh, get that ugly freaking thing away. Ah. Guys, we did it. Now what's the next part? Look at this thing. This thing's nasty. What the fuck is that, dude? Oh, oh. She's a beauty. It's crazy to think none of these mounts, other than that one, there's one. Nothing else. So now the real question is, should I put a heat shield? Probably not. I might put it on eventually, but I'm just gonna get this thing up because I really want to get it running. I really want to hear it. I just want to get it on the night and start the car within like the next hour and a half. So that's our next objective. We're gonna go ahead and slide it up in there and get it bolted in. So let's get on to that. Okay, so first what I gotta do is take the gasket. We're gonna go ahead and slide that on. Since I'm doing this by myself, so it'd be the best way to go about this. Yeah, this way. And slide it in. Just like maybe. There you go. Cool, we got them all lined up. We're just gonna slide that on there like that. Hopefully it'll stay. I really hope it will. Okay, yeah, well, that will have to do. And my dog keeps barking. He won't stop. Highly recommend help on this, guys. Oh man, that was easy. That was easy sliding right there. I hope it doesn't fall on me. Fuck you, stupid ass thing. Alrighty guys, so after finagling it forever and getting like cuts and all sorts of things, I noticed that the end of that other heat shield plate was in the way, so I kind of just bent it all the way more. This one on the opposite side, I was scratching up the downpipe and everything. But I got it in there finally with bending it, and great. But we got that in, and now we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts in and tighten it down. At least the top part. All right guys, so as you can tell, it's really dark out right now. It's like almost 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up, put all the bolts on the bottom. That's like the most boring part. I know you don't want to see that. See me disassemble it and assemble somewhat. I'm gonna get it all together. Let's just hear this thing. I want to hear it so bad. So we'll get everything back together and let's turn this freaking thing on. Alrighty guys, we got everything tidied up now. I'm so hyped guys. I got 4% on my phone, so I gotta start this thing up fast. But I got everything together. Let's say the intercooler was a pain in the ass to get back on. I'll just say that. I'll put it as like that, and let's make sure we get y'all set up. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. like the raspiness. Oh my god. Yo! Boys, let's go. Can't wait to get a tune for this, guys. This is about to be great. It's gonna be sick. I can't believe, let's make sure we got everything together. Good. Guys. All right, we're gonna have to get just a little blip, just a little throttle blip. She's running really lean though. There's one smoke. We'll get one more view. Oh my god. Guys, until the morning, we're gonna get a cold start. We got to. In the morning. See where we run at. We're at 14. That turbo, guys! Guys, this oh my. I forgot when you let off, it goes lean, but that was a little scary. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna get everything else in the car. That's for another video. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and get the tune on, which that's just whole other steps coming up. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Alrighty guys, well, right there sums up this video. That was such a pain in the butt to do by yourself. So I recommend, honestly, just have a friend help you with that. Like, it would help so much. That was so much work. It took me like 5 hours. Once again, that was my first downpipe install. So I mean, I'm not a pro with this, but you guys got to see like the mistakes I made. I still have a bolt down there I dropped, but I don't need it anyways. So I mean, I didn't put the heat shield back on. I don't think you need it. Maybe we'll get like a turbo heat blanket or something, or like maybe even wrapping the downpipe. I'm not sure. I mean, I don't think it's gonna produce that much heat in order to like cause any damage. I don't know. But yeah, guys, other than that, I love the sound. We'll definitely get some more clips when we get a tune on that. That'll be for a whole different video, and we'll let this thing scream, dude. I'm excited. I can't really drive it around hard or anything because of, you know, no tune. So hopefully by the next video or two, we'll have this thing tuned and ready to freaking rip, dude. That's what I'm excited for. I'm so excited to rip this car around again. So if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and leave a comment below and tell me what y'all think about the car so far. And it's been long, dude, but man, this summer's been it. If y'all watched that video back there, I got so much to tell y'all, and I can't wait. I've been so busy, but maybe let's get back on track and keep it going. So, all right, guys, other than that, I want to say thank you again for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.